Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is mushroom edamame fried rice, brown rice. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of the ingredients. 2 cups cooked brown rice left in the fridge overnight. 4 ounces onion diced. 4 ounces mushroom cut into small cubes. 4 ounces frozen young soybean kernels defrosted. Young soybean kernels, also called edamame. 4 ounces carrot cut into small pieces like the corn kernel size. 4 ounces frozen yellow corn kernels defrosted. 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY ginger infused oil. If you do a search in my channel, you should be able to find it. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 teaspoon salt. We finished the preparation. Now we are ready to cook. I'm turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for the electric stove or medium to high heat for the gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute. The oil is hot. We are going to cook the carrot and onion for 2 minutes until the carrot is slightly soft. It's been 2 minutes. The carrot is slightly soft. Now we are going to add mushroom, edamame, corn, and the salt to cook for 5 minutes until the mushroom is soft. It's been 5 minutes. The mushroom is soft. Now we're going to add the cooked rice and soy sauce to cook for 2 minutes until all the ingredients are mixed well. It's been 2 minutes. Everything has been mixed well. It is done. Enjoy.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.